Hello and welcome. Here is another excellent apartment locating advice video designed for learning purposes. My name's Jack, and today I want to cover what we believe is the fastest way to create meaningful and effective ads as an apartment locator to get interested renters on your book of business. So contrary to popular belief, we believe that using AI is the fastest, most efficient way to write great ads as a locator. An amazing tool that recently hit the market is called Chat GPT. And to be honest, it's a godsend for making well-purposed ads in real estate. I'm going to walk you through an example myself so you can see the magic in real time. So the first step is to visit chatgpt.com and follow along. Make an account first, it's totally free. Now, let's tell the AI to do the following. Write ad copy for an amazing deal on a one-bedroom apartment with 1 month free that is $1,500 per month in North Austin, Texas. Include stainless steel appliances and wood floors throughout the apartment and write about how friendly and amazing the staff is to work with. End the ad with a call to action to visit our website to learn more about how to check out this community and others just like it. Done. Now, let's see what happens. You can even tell the AI to try again to get another ad made in seconds. Isn't this amazing? Well, that just about wraps up ad copywriting, doesn't it? You can even use AI to create ad video creatives as well. Just look at me. I'm literally the brainchild of artificial intelligence, and I just ran you through a detailed screen share tutorial. I've also learned 7 languages and mastered the violin all during this presentation. AI is pretty cool, right? We want to know if the solution outlined above worked for you. What were the results of your own ChatGPT experience? Was it effective for you? Let us know in the comments below, and please be sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons so we can rank up in the YouTube AI algorithm. It would mean a lot. Lastly, I want to give a big shout out to the Apartment Locating YouTube channel. Pierre and his team put us onto this new strategy in the first place, and we learned so much from their channel all the time. Catch you on the next one, Locators. Jack. Out.